Have you ever pondered what makes up the vast majority of our universe that we can't see? Imagine a cosmos teeming with invisible forces that comprise nearly 95% of the universe. These unseen elements, known as dark matter and dark energy, elude our current technologies, yet we infer their existence through the gravitational effects they exert on visible matter. A testament to the universe's intricacies, these forces remain largely a mystery. So, what exactly are dark matter and dark energy? Imagine something that does not interact with light and is completely invisible, yet has a significant gravitational pull. That's dark matter for you. This elusive substance, unlike ordinary matter, doesn't interact with electromagnetic force, hence it remains unseen. But don't let its invisibility fool you. Dark matter makes its presence known through its gravitational pull, influencing the movement of galaxies and stars. Its existence, inferred from these effects, paints a picture of a universe much stranger than we ever imagined. And what about dark energy, the other unseen force in our universe? Now, envision a force that is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. We call this dark energy. Dark energy is a fascinating and enigmatic concept. It's an unseen form of energy that permeates the entirety of space, silently influencing the universe's evolution. Scientists believe dark energy is the driving force behind the universe's accelerating expansion, a phenomenon that continues to baffle us. Indeed, dark matter and dark energy are two of the greatest mysteries in modern cosmology. To bring it all together, let's summarize the intriguing concepts we've delved into. Dark matter and dark energy, these invisible components, make up approximately 95% of our universe. We've discerned their existence not through direct observation, but through their profound influence on visible matter and the expansion of the universe. While we have much to learn about these unseen forces, one thing is certain: our universe is far more mysterious and fascinating than we could ever imagine.